I'm back again with yet another quick and healthy recipe for the kids, the chocolate French toast. Here are ingredients of the chocolate French fingers. We'll be using eggs, vanilla essence, milk, butter, Hershey's chocolate spread, powdered sugar, cinnamon with powdered sugar, and 4 slices of bread. I'm taking my eggs into a hand blender jar. Here are 3 of my eggs, 2 tablespoons milk, a teaspoon of vanilla essence, a tablespoon of powdered sugar, and a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Now we'll blend all our ingredients well to get our batter for the French toast. Here my batter is ready. Now we'll take the 4 slices of bread and spread the chocolate on it. Make a sandwich of this by placing one on top of the other. Now we'll cut these into small fingers. So I'm getting 4 fingers of each sandwich. Here is what my finger looks like. We need to dip these fingers into the batter. So I'm taking a shallow bowl into which I pour my batter. Now take a non-stick pan, add some butter to it. Dip your fingers into the batter. Make sure that you're not dipping it for too long, otherwise the fingers might break. Toast them on your pan to a nice golden brown. Immediately remove and roll them into your cinnamon and sugar mix. Here your chocolate French fingers are ready to serve. You can drizzle a bit of Hershey's syrup on it.